This is our new Batten combo. It has the multi-select functionality so that you can adjust it to your use case with the flick of a switch. It is an IP20 product, so it is an indoor luminaire. It is a versatile and plug-in upgrade lighting solution. You can effortlessly upgrade it both with a microwave sensor and an emergency kit depending on your use case. Now, let's walk through how to set up and upgrade your Batten combo. This is the lock button to open the diffuser, and this is the area for the connection for the conduit. There are more at the back of the product for mounting. To be able to open the diffuser, you need to release the lock button. There are one in each side. The accessory package is inside the luminaire. The accessories included are the screws and an M20 cable gland. As this is a multi-select product, we can select the CCT and wattage by adjusting the dip switch on the driver. They are here. Batten combo provides two adjustable color temperatures, 4,000 and 6,500 Kelvin. It offers two power selections for each length. For example, this is the 4 feet version, so you can change from 36 watt to 18 watt. You can add an emergency kit easily to provide emergency lighting. This kit provides a 3-hour emergency function. Let me show you how it works. Let's open the box. The emergency kit includes a battery, an indicator light, and a test button behind. You can select the test mode to be automatic or manual with this dip switch. Now let's do it together. The first step is to open the box and remove the battery. Then we just close the lid. Here you can see the marking for the emergency kit and also where the light indicator goes. Then we need to remove the driver cover and install the EM pack in the designated area. Install the indicator light here. Batten combo is also compatible with our microwave sensor, allowing you to save energy in applications like hallways and back stairwells. You can use these dip switches to adjust the sensitivity, standby level, daylight sensor, and standby period as you want. Here you can see MS written in the designated area for the sensor. Remove the plastic cover, connect with the driver, and install the sensor in the designated area. Then secure it using the twist lock mechanism. Once all components are connected, close the diffuser. Don't forget to close the locks on the sides. That's it! You've successfully installed and upgraded your Batten combo with both the emergency kit and the microwave sensor. We will place the link to the product technical information below. Don't forget to check it out.